Today our topic is on video stabilization. So this is a process of, let's suppose if you make a video and the video is more shaky. So if you want to remove the shakiness of your video, so you can simply remove like this. Simply add a video here and let's see. As you see that my video is shaky, I want to remove the shakiness of my video, so I will simply right click and go to the stabilization. The shortcut key of stabilization is Ctrl Alt plus S, and is in here stabilization. As you see that my video is analyzing, it will analyze and stabilize that how much can I stabilize my video. So here we go. My video analyzing is completed, and I will simply increase the smooth level of my video and let's get play. As you see that the shakiness of my video is reduces and it will smooth more.